Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 mathematics. Okay, so there are some questions to do in unit 7, that is your area and perimeter. Okay, some word problems are there, so let's do that. Okay, so I have written here one question, that is, if the breadth of a rectangle is one third of its length and perimeter is 80 centimeter, find its length and breadth. Okay, so what is given to us is, one condition is given to us, that is breadth is one third. Okay, one third of its length. So what is the meaning of one third then? One third actually means 1 upon 3. Okay, so suppose there are 3 equal parts. Okay, it means your, this 3 means your total parts, that is your 3. Okay, out of this total 3 part, 1 is consumed, that is your, okay, its meaning. Okay, in simply Nepali if you say that, 3 भाग को 1 भाग. Okay, 3 भाग को 1 भाग. Is it clear? So meaning of one third is your 1 upon 3. So now let's see the condition what is written. Okay, so let us suppose length is your L. Okay, let us suppose length is our L. Okay, so breadth is your one third, means 1 upon 3 of length. This is the condition. Okay, one third of its length. So 1 upon 3 of means into, okay, length is your L, so we got L upon 3. So breadth we got is your L upon 3. Okay, and next thing, what is given to us? Perimeter is given to us. Perimeter of rectangle is given to us, that is your 80 centimeter. Okay, so we have the formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is your 2 in bracket L plus B is equal to 80. Unit I have left. Okay, at last we will write the unit. So transfer this 2 to right hand side. So what we will get here? In place of L, write L as it is. Okay, L. In place of B, as we know, breadth is your L upon 3. So I am going to write in place of B, L upon 3 is equal to this 2 I have transferred to right hand side. So 80 and 2 is multiplying, so it will go and divide there. Okay, very simple. Transfer this 2 to right hand side, it will divide, and in place of this B, replace L by 3. Okay, so now here L means your L upon 1. Okay, or you can take by LCM, or you can do directly also transferring L to right hand side. So I am going to take LCM here. So LCM is your 3, 1 and 3. LCM is 3. So now what is the real process here? This 1 will divide this LCM. This denominator will divide this LCM. Your denominator ले your LCM like divide करसो. 1 ले 3 like divide करे भने you will get 3. What we got? Okay. जे हामीले पाउँछौं त्यो न्यूमरेटर सँग मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने. So what we got here? 3. That 3 is multiplied with the numerator, that is your 3L. Okay. Plus now this 3 will divide this 3, means this denominator will divide LCM. अब यो denominator ले LCM लाई divide गर्छ. Okay, we will get 1. 1 is multiplied to L, so L. And here we got 80 divided by 2, that is your 40. Okay, so transfer this 3 to right hand side, what will get? 3L plus L is your 4L is equal to 40 into 3. Okay, you can multiply or you can transfer this 4 to right hand side, and then you can easily solve it. Okay, so L I will leave here, 40 into 3. Here 4 is multiplying, transfer to right hand side, it will divide, so we will get here 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are, okay, 3 into 10, that is your 30. So length is what here? So according to this question, your length is 30 centimeter, and breadth is, what is the breadth? Breadth is one third of its length, that is L by 3. So 30 by 3 centimeter, that is your 10 centimeter. So we got the value of length as 30 centimeter and value of breadth as 10 centimeter. Okay, the main thing is its condition and its solution here. Okay, so I hope you have understood this question. So similar, let us do one more question. Okay, so that it will be more easier for you to understand. I am going to do one more question for you. The question is similar, but in place of this I am going to make other condition. Okay, the condition is 3/4 now. Okay, the breadth of a rectangle is 3/4 of its length and its perimeter is 140 centimeter. Now the condition has changed. If the breadth of a rectangle is 3/4 of its length and perimeter is 140 centimeter, find its length and breadth. Okay, so what is the meaning of 3/4 now? 3/4 means 3 upon 4. Okay, it means, suppose if there are 4 equal parts, out of these 4 equal parts 3 are consumed. Okay, 3. Okay, it means your total part is your 4. It represents total part. Okay, how many are consumed? That is a 3 are consumed. So 3 upon 4. Okay, it means 4 भाग को 3 भाग. Okay, total is your 4 parts, and out of 4 parts 3 are consumed. Okay, so similar manner. Okay, let us here also suppose length as L. So breadth will be what? Breadth is your 3/4 of length. That is your 3L upon 4. Okay. So now another condition is now here. Perimeter. What is given? Perimeter of rectangle is given to us. What is given to us? 140 centimeter. So we have the formula for perimeter, 2 in bracket L plus B is equal to 140. Unit I have left. At last we will write the unit. Okay, so 2 again transfer there. L in place of L as it is. Okay, in place of B, this B I will write 3L upon 4. Okay, according to this condition, B is equal to 3L upon 4. According to this condition, 3L upon 4, I will write in place of B what? 3L upon 4. This 2 is transferred to right hand side, so what it will do? 140 divided by 2, because it is multiplying here, so it will go in right hand side and it will divide. So L means here what? L upon 1. Okay, so 1 and 4 is LCM is 4. Okay, so 1 will divide this 4. This denominator will divide the LCM. Okay, I mean to say LCM is divided by denominator. Okay, so 4 upon 1 is your how much? 4. The number what we got, okay, the number what we got is multiplied with the numerator. That is your 4 into L, that is your 4L. Plus, now for second fraction also we will do the same process. That is, this denominator will divide this LCM, that is 4 is divided by 4, that will we get 1. 1 is multiplied with the numerator, that is you will get 3L only. Is equal to, here if you divide you will get 70. Okay, so now transfer this 4 to right hand side. 4L plus 3L, that is a 7L is equal to 70 into 4. Now transfer this 7 to right hand side. L is equal to 70 into 4 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 10 is 70. Okay, you got here 40. So what is the value of length? Length is your L, so that L we got here 40 centimeter. Breadth is your 3L by 4. 3L by 4, that is your 3 into 40 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 10s are, that is we got here 30 centimeter. So the value of length is your 40 centimeter and the value of breadth is your 30 centimeter. Okay, so main thing is your condition here. Breadth is 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of its length. So 3/4 means 3 upon 4 of length. Okay, length I have supposed L because there is not any condition. So length is L, but breadth is 3/4 of its length. So we got 3L/4. Okay. After that, what is given to us, that we should think. Perimeter is given to us. Perimeter is 140. Okay. So in place of perimeter, we will use the formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is your 2 in bracket L plus B. Okay. Is equal to 140. Transfer this 2 to right hand side. It will divide because it is multiplying here. And L will remain as it is. Breadth, in place of breadth, we will write 3L/4. Okay. So we got here L plus 3L/4 is equal to 140 divided by 2. Now take the LCM and solve it. Okay. So 1 and 4 LCM is your 4. Okay. So 1 will divide the LCM. That will get 4. 4 is multiplied with the numerator. That is why we got here 4L plus 4 is divided by 4 here. That is 1. 1 is multiplied with the numerator. That is your 3L. Okay. After that, solve it. Okay, in this case, if you don't want to take L7, if you want to solve, then also you can solve easily. Okay, in previous video we have solved the equation. There I have shown you how to solve. Okay, for this question it is clear. Okay, just to solve this question, I am showing you another process. Okay, you can follow that process also. Simply I am going to show you here. Okay, that is after this step. L plus 3L/4 is equal to 70. Okay, so what you can do, you can transfer this L to right hand side. 3L/4 is equal to 70 minus L. Okay, so 3L is equal to, now transfer this 4 to right hand side. 70 minus L. 3L is equal to, now here 280 minus 4L. Now this 4L transfer here. Okay, 3L plus 4L is equal to 280. This is your 7L is equal to 280. So L is equal to 280 divided by 7. That is your 40. So without finding your LCM process, that also you can do. In this way also you can do, because some student follows this way. Okay, and some student feel easier by taking the LCM. Any method you follow, your choice. Okay, but do the correct way. Okay, correct process. So I hope today's class you all have understood. So thank you for today. Okay, thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.